Welcome home to Forest Creek Commons. Our new library, complete with computers and internet access, has proven to be a favorite place to gather. Daily movies are enjoyed by all in our new state-of-the-art theater room. At Forest Creek, we offer many lifestyle choices for the individual. We are part of the neighborhood. Our leaders and staff live in surrounding areas and know the community well. And we take the time to know each of our residents and their families on a personal level. Our residents enjoy the company of their neighbors and opportunities to participate in a wide range of planned social activities. Scheduled transportation to shopping, restaurants, and appointments. Everyone loves freedom and choices, and we kept that in mind when designing our senior apartments and garden homes. It is our mission to serve residents with choices in housing and assistance for healthy living. Welcome to a community that was made just for you, Forest Creek Commons.